Hello, welcome to IMA. How to apply voter ID card. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You must be 18 years or older. You must be an Indian citizen. You should have a permanent address. What is voter registration? Voter registration means adding your name to the voter list. It is for every Indian citizen who is 18 years or older. You must register to get your voter ID card. The voter ID proves you are eligible to vote. Your name is added to the electoral roll. It helps to stop fraud and fake voting. You can register for voter ID online or offline easily. Hope understood it. Importance of voter registration in Indian democracy. Voting is your right in a democracy. Without registration, you cannot vote in elections. Your vote helps to choose leaders and make decisions. Voter registration ensures fair and free elections. It gives power to every citizen to shape the country's future. More voters is equal to stronger democracy. Your one vote can bring big change. Eligibility criteria for voter registration in India. The individuals who fulfill the following conditions are eligible for voter registration in India. Citizen of India. 18 years of age. Have a permanent address in India. The following are not eligible for voter registration. A non-resident Indian, having citizenship of another country. An individual with an unsound mind. An individual convicted of certain crimes. An individual serving a sentence of imprisonment for an offence. Online voter registration. Step 1. Visit the official https://voters.eci.gov.in/. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up option on the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Enter the mobile number, email ID and CAPTCHA code and click the Continue button. Step 4. Enter first name, last name, password, confirm password, and click the Request OTP button. Step 5. Enter the OTP received on the mobile number and email ID and click the Verify button. Step 6. Log into the Voter Services portal by clicking the Login button on the homepage, entering the mobile number, password, and CAPTCHA, and clicking the Request OTP button. Step 7. Enter the OTP received on your mobile number and click the Verify and Login button. Step 8. Click the Fill Form 6 button on the New Registration for General Electors tab. Step 9. Enter all the details on Form 6, which includes personal details, relatives details, contact details, Aadhaar details, date of birth details, address details, and declaration, and upload the required documents in the given sections and click the Preview and Submit button. Step 10. Check if the entered details are correct and click the Submit button. Offline voter registration and visit to official. Step 1. Visit the booth level officers, BLO office and obtain Form 6 or download Form 6 from the Voter Services portal by clicking the Download button on the New registration for General Electors tab. Step 2. Fill out Form 6 accurately. Step 3. Submit the required documents and the filled form to the BLO. Verification process. Submit Form 6 online or offline. BLO, Booth Level Officer, checks your documents. BLO verifies your address proof. If documents are wrong, application rejected. You can apply again if rejected. If correct, voter ID approved. Voter ID sent by post or email. Takes 15 to 21 days after verification. Check application status. Visit www.nvsp.in. Go to Track Application. Enter the reference number to check the status. Get your voter ID. Voter ID will arrive by post after verification. Download digital voter ID, e-Epic, from NVSP. Vote on election day. Carry your voter ID and any government ID. Go to the polling station and cast your vote. Thank you for watching me.